Ever faced those pesky operating system issues on your laptop? Don't fret, I've got you covered. First, try restarting your laptop. It works like magic most of the time. If that doesn't do the trick, check for software updates or run a virus scan to keep those bugs at bay. And if all else fails, don't stress. Just give Sai Laptop Service a call at 997-244-7766. Their expert team will have your laptop up and running in no time. Remember, a smooth operating laptop equals a stress-free life. So, why wait? Reach out to Sai Laptop Service today.